A Rockford company that spent almost 5 decades protecting customers and their workers turns its focus to protecting the future.
And it's doing it by welcoming some special visitors. That's this week's Made in the State Line.
These are critical pieces of equipment to human safety.
Employees at Rockford Systems take safety very seriously. That goes beyond the new facility's walls.
You don't want to have problems. If you don't manage it safely, you can lead to explosions.
The company's been around for nearly 50 years, about a year in this new building.
One of the key differentiators that Rockford Systems has from the rest of the industry is how fast we can make equipment ship.
And it's good they've got the extra space because a crowd is coming. Friday is National Manufacturing Day.
It's always a very fulfilling experience for the employees of the organization because we see students get excited about envisioning their future selves working in a manufacturing environment.
That was part of the reason Manufacturing Day was created across the country and to change opinions.
Manufacturing is dark and dirty and low tech, and we're trying to dispel those myths as our other participants in National Manufacturing Day.
This is Rockford Systems' third year participating. Many of the middle school and high school students visiting will have already at least looked at options in the field through an academy program or STEM curriculum.
What we're trying to do is bring sort of reality to their classroom teachings and show them what a real company looks like, what manufacturing really means.
The company's participated long enough that it's actually seen how it can make a difference.
We had a group of girls who were talking to one of our more seasoned female engineers, and she was explaining how when she was growing up she was always encouraged to play with dolls, but she didn't want to play with dolls. She wanted to take apart toasters and put them back together again.
One of the girls in that group was 8 months pregnant. Her plan before that conversation was to have the baby and drop out of school. Manufacturing Day changed that.
She had the baby and graduated from high school, and then she enrolled in a 2-year technical program, and she's just about ready to graduate and is looking for engineering technician positions. We get really excited when we hear stories like that, you know, we might just reach some student and impact them in a positive way.
Traditionally, Manufacturing Day across the country is the first Friday of October. The Rockford Chamber of Commerce has a Manufacturing Day event scheduled for a week from today. That's on the 10th.